Hi there, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in this video, I'm going to take you through limits of constant functions, right? So in our previous lessons, we've done limits of rational functions and we've gone through several things. So if this is the first time being on this channel, kindly subscribe so you get access to all this useful content, and also you'll be updated when I post new useful content. So let's move straight solving this problem. So limits of constant function. What is a constant function? So in our video on constant functions, you realize that these are functions which produce a constant output despite the input, right? So the function produces a constant output, let's say A, right? Whatever you put in this function, you get what? A constant output, right? Now, one property of limits is that when you take the limits as x approaches any x naught of a constant or function, your answer is what? Your constant. Take note, if I have a constant function f of x equals c, if I take the limit as it approaches anything, my limit value is my c, because a constant function never changes, right? Never change, right? So let's see. So find the limits. The problem is find the limits as f of x approaches or x naught, right? So what's f of x? Root 3. So it's the same as limits taking the first x naught value, -2. As x approaches -2 of what? Square root of 3. What's the answer? The answer is square root of 3. Take note. When I come, limits as s approaches what? 0 of what? Square root of 3. This is also equal to what? Square root of what? 3. So likewise, when I put 1, I also get square root of 3. So this is just a quick video for me to explain the concept of what? Limits of constant functions. Take note. So always a constant function gives a constant output, and the limit of a constant function is always the constant. Thank you for being with me in this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.